Let's see how they cut big trees professionally. Like with equipments. Professional equipments. Those big old trees are basically cut because they are at places which can harm humans. Like, old trees can sometimes have weak bases, resulting them into falling onto houses in case of storms. Now I guess that's where they want the tree to fall. Like, you cut the tree in V shape where you want the tree to fall. It's usual for here. So they're trying to fit the hydraulic jack in there. Let's see what they do. So they've cut out that place where they want to place the hydraulic jack. What are they doing now? The hydraulic jack should fit in here now. Okay, there goes the hydraulic jack in the place it was meant to be. Whoa, that was fast. It took them like 3 minutes to cut that big a tree. That was cool.